everybody, I'm Michael. Today I'm going to show you how we cook the honey chicken. See now, we have a chicken fillet here, and then we just cut it into pieces. It doesn't matter which way you cut it. As long as it's been cut, you can cut it in square or slice, anything. Now see how we do it. I like to cut like this way because when cooking it looks more nice, okay? Or you can slide it like this, also can, it's up to you. Now, clean this way. Okay. I just try to cook one serve and show you how to do it. This is somewhere around 300 grams, which is what we need. Okay. Okay, this is enough for one serve. Now, before we doing the cooking, we have to marinate with some ingredients. This is called tenderizer, a little bit of tenderizer. Okay, little bit of this potato starch, just 1 spoon is enough. A little bit of water, MSG or chicken booster, okay, just a little bit. Little bit of this salt, and white sugar or brown sugar, up to you. MSG is 2, salt is 1, and the sugar is half. That is 2, 1 and half. Then we'll try to marinate it. And cover up and put into the fridge. This is the one I use, okay? This is called honey. We make a honey chicken, it means honey. We need the honey flavor, all right? That's the main ingredient. And this is sesame seeds. Sesame seeds is only for the decoration or for the presentation in the vermicelli. Here we just put it in and try to toss it a little bit. It's not burn, okay? Just change the color. You can see the color is changed. That means it's okay already. Okay, it's good. Cooking oil, any type of cooking oil, as long as this is cooking oil, alright? It should be on high heat until it is up to 165. Self-rising powder, 3 spoons. Okay. Potato starch is 1 spoon of this water. And mix it up. Cooking oil, why we put in the cooking oil is why we want it to be crispy. The butter will be crispy and shiny. Make it smooth, okay? That's it, the butter is ready. See, what I want you to do is everything make it easy and simple, alright? Don't make it too complicated. Now, the chicken is ready. Marinate for half an hour, that's it. Yeah. So you have to look after the oil, it's hot enough or not, okay? When it's hot enough, then we can do the frying. It's very easy if you don't know the oil is hot enough or not, okay? You can look at the oil, is running, is still running like that, like watery, that's not hot enough. Another thing is, you just try put in a little bit and see it is fried or not.
Oh, Jesus.
No, not hot enough. Coming soon. Huh? You can see it's ready to fry. So one thing, so when we throw in, we must be fast, otherwise it turns the color into brown. That's not nice. We want it to be snow white, okay? Put it in. Yeah, that's it. Leave it up.
Ooh.
We want, okay? Try to deep fry the chicken now. Okay? And this one also the same thing. When you throw in, you must be fast. Otherwise, some of them is cooked and some of them is not cooked. That's not good. All right? Okay, see how I do the frying? Easy. If I can do it, you can do it also. That's it. Leave it there until it's turned into golden color. That's what we want. Now look at this. This is the right color, the golden color. You see how nice is it? Okay, leave it for a while until totally cool. Little bit of water. Not too much, okay? 2 spoons of it. Honey. Want to be a bit sweet, then put more. Otherwise, you just put 3 to 4 spoons. It will be okay. Heat it up. You can use a high heat to heat it up, and then wait for the chicken. Count the bubble coming up. This is okay already. All right, coming up. So low down the flame. Yes, you see? Look at this. Look at this color. There's a right color. All right. So turn off. And heat it up. Honey sauce is ready. So just put it in. Put in. And then toss it. Okay, that's it. Now, you see, this is the right color. And put on the sesame seeds and vermicelli. This for presentation. That's it. Honey chicken. You can do it at home. Your children or your friend, they all like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.